How's it going, friends? Something interesting today. I just got home. Been out working this afternoon, and I was making myself a snack in the kitchen. I look over on the kitchen counter, and I see a Logitech web camera and a headset, and I'm like, that's interesting. I've been Google searching those a lot this week, but I haven't ordered any. So, check my Amazon. Nothing in my order history. Okay, so this was supposed to go to somebody else in my neighborhood. Go grab the box out of the pantry and the recycle bin because my wife had just taken the things out, put them on the counter, thrown away the box in the recycle bin, assuming that I ordered it. But I did not order this. I did not order these items here. So I'll have to do some research to see where they came from. For sure, we'll have to do an unboxing and a review, right? It was addressed to me. It was addressed to my address. So it came here on purpose. It's just a mystery as to who sent it. We got us a Logitech Mystery Box here. So we got a C720 HD webcam, which I need, and I definitely was reading about and Google searching earlier this week. And we've got a H390 headset that we'll take a look at. And the invoice here says that this stuff came to my address, shipped to Logitech inner office, and sold to Logitech inner office, and it came from Logitech inner office. So someone has blessed us with a super exciting surprise here, I guess. And I did check with the FTC.gov, and we're under no obligation to pay for these or return these. So I feel safe and comfortable opening them up and checking them out. So I guess we'll do a little unboxing and a review on these things. And if I find out where they came from, I'll update you. Pretty cool no matter what. So thank you to mystery person that sent me these cool things. And look forward to an unboxing and a review video on these products soon on my channel, I guess. We'll get to be one of those kind of channels. Love it.